I had 1 bag of sand, half bag of cement, and a little pincette that I had mixed to fix the roof again. So here we go. So when I'm doing that side, you know, I've got to line up right there good, but it's not even. But ignore that because these holes are there, so I have to work around that. So the 1 bag just did these 2 little ones of 3, can't count, 3 little ones. I'll just drop in there. And I heist the manhole so it's leveled with a little poof over it, like little cushiony thing. And yes, those are raindrops. Try to patch around here with the little because we got some lightning. It's cracked, but it's in the shape of a lightning strike. That's why I call it that. You know, I'm goofy. I always give stuff different names. Yeah. My neighbor told me to put white gravel and take out this damn gray gravel. So I'm going to take out the gray gravel and put in white gravel. So I'm going to white gravel it all the way down. I'm going to get rough tile and put on this one from the door for the doorway. Just this little piece right here. Like get 1 rough tile and cut it in 2 and put it there. The door wanna fix, and I wanna put a thingy over it, like a whatever. Yeah. So there we go. I need to chip this bit and fix this part. Kirkland, I need your thing to fix this bit. So yeah. Actually, my brethren said he's going to use his van, go down to the seaside and get me some sand. So all I could buy is just gravel and the cement. And then from here to here, I probably have 10 feet. And then from here to here, I think it's 12 feet. So I have about 22 more feet after that. Shit, it's a long. Come all the way down to here. I've took that off the roof. I'm going to show you how I fix my roof. So it's rainy season. I took off the tarp and I put these on and it stopped leak. So I came out and put some more. Even though this bit stopped leaking, but I want to do all of it over there. We have some big holes, but they're not leaking. I did up here, up on the top of this bit. That's where the tarp comes from. Right over here. There was 1 row that didn't get done, so I went up there with the ladder and do that bit. So I'm taking down about the blocks from here because this bit stopped leaking, so I just want to do all of this bit. So rain season, don't want to have any leakage. Need to get back down these center blocks that I had used to hold on the tarps. There's the ocean. Oh Lord. If I ever in the future, when my lease up wait. Yeah, I could buy this house. I'll put on a 2nd story, modernize, and to see the ocean right there. Yeah, because you got all of that over there. All that view. And these people put on these high rooftops. They instead of spending all that money to do the high rooftop, you deck it and put on a master bedroom upstairs for the view. But that's what I have right now. Yeah, that's what I'm facing. But yeah, taking my time fixing up. I'm doing my thing. I'm going to a rough patch right now, but I just have to do what I have to do in the yard to take my mind off the situation that I'm in. Alrighty then, bye y'all.